So, Commander, did you see any good battles today? No, it put me as a recon unit for some reason. It really pissed me off. Well, I did see some action today with the Twi'lek stripper. Damn. Hey, do you know her name? Yeah, some LaFonda crap or something. Son of a bitch, that was my mom! Die, you motherfucker, you! Slept with my mom, you bitch! Die! Oh my god, what have I done? That was my commander. Oh my god, they're gonna find me. They're gonna put me up, and the court-martial might send me 25 years in jail. I gotta get out of here.